Hallo daar. Welcome back to the Learn Afrikaans series. Last time we did the numbers in Afrikaans, the getalle. This time we will take a look at the Afrikaans alphabet, die alphabet. For early access to our videos as well as the accompanying worksheets with their answers, please visit our Patreon. Les 4, die alphabet, the alphabet. We will be going through the letters of the Afrikaans alphabet from A to Z, showing an English way how to pronounce the letter name, as well as showing an example word for every letter. Notice the difference between the alphabet names for the letters and their usage in words. It would be best to repeat after us, trying to successfully say the Afrikaans letters and words. Let's begin. A, appel. A, appel. Notice the difference in Afrikaans. It is A, not A. B, broek, B, broek. C, casino, C, casino. The letter C is not common in Afrikaans. It almost never occurs in the middle of a word. Most of the time, the words that do start or have a C are words borrowed from other languages like English or Latin. The sounds of the C are therefore varied. It can be a K sound like in casino, or a G as in chaos, or a Sh as in chirurg. D, duif, D, duif. The D when used in a word sounds the same as in English. Compare the sound of the D in duif with dove, dove, duif. Ear, eend, ear, eend. F, fees. The F has the same name in Afrikaans and English, F, and is pronounced the same in words, F. Fees, G, graaf. The Afrikaans G is a very rough and gutted sound. G, graaf. H, hond, H, hond. I, insek, I, insek. J, jas. Notice how different the Afrikaans J is from the English J when used in words. J, jacket, J, jas. K, kas, K, kas. L, leeuw, L, leeuw. M, maan, M, maan. N, neus, N, neus. O, oog, O, oog. P, potlood, P, potlood. Q, the Q is not really used in Afrikaans. There only exists less than 15 words, all borrowed from other languages with a Q in Afrikaans. Its pronunciation is therefore borrowed from other languages. Q, kish, Q, kish. R, raket, R, raket. S, scare, S, scare. T, tas, T, tas. U, ui, U, ui. V, voel, V, voel. W, water, W, water. X. There are also not a lot of words that use the X, X. Xylophone, X, xylophone. A, yskas, A, yskas. Z is another uncommon one in Afrikaans. Z, Zulu, Z, Zulu. There you have the full Afrikaans alphabet. As you can see, Afrikaans is very similar to English, even easier as there are 4 letters that are not commonly used: C, Q, X and Z. Let's go over every letter once more in order to remember them better. Repeat after us. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, X, A, Z. Now you know the Afrikaans alphabet. In order to test yourself, please visit our Patreon for the worksheets. To better learn, watch this video again. Baie dankie. In order to help our channel, you can like the video, share and subscribe. Any feedback or questions can be commented below. Bye.